Have you ever stepped into an older person's home and noticed how effortlessly spotless, calm, and inviting it feels? It's not magic, it's the result of a few simple daily habits that many people over 60 swear by. These routines not only keep their homes sparkling clean, but also make life feel lighter, healthier, and far less stressful. Imagine enjoying that same sense of peace and simplicity in your own space. What if the secret wasn't about cleaning harder, but smarter? Today, we're uncovering 6 powerful habits that can transform your home and lifestyle. Make sure to like, share, and subscribe for more content that helps you live simpler, healthier, and happier every day. Lesson 1. Start the day with a quick reset. Have you ever noticed how some older people always seem to have homes that feel peaceful, fresh, and spotless, no matter when you visit? The secret often begins right at the start of their day. Instead of rushing into chores or long cleaning sessions, they follow a gentle habit called the morning reset. This simple routine takes only a few minutes but sets the tone for the entire day. It begins with something as small as making the bed. A neatly made bed instantly transforms the room, making it feel clean and welcoming. Many older people believe that if the very first task of the day is completed, it creates a sense of accomplishment that carries into everything else. It's not about perfection, it's about creating a fresh start. Next comes opening the windows to let in natural light and fresh air. This small action brightens the home, lifts the mood, and makes the space feel alive. Sunlight naturally energizes the body, while a cool breeze removes any stuffiness from the night. It's like pressing the reset button not just for the house, but for the mind and body as well. Another part of this quick reset is tidying up little things right away. Dishes left in the sink, clothes on a chair, or mail on the table, these are handled in just a few minutes. Older people know that clutter builds quickly if ignored. By dealing with it in the morning, they prevent small messes from turning into big, stressful chores later in the day. What's most inspiring is how this routine doesn't feel like work. It feels more like an act of self-care. A clean, airy, and organized space makes the entire home feel more comfortable and relaxing. It also saves energy throughout the day, because you don't have to keep worrying about when you'll get around to tidying up. This lesson teaches us that you don't need hours of cleaning to keep your home spotless. A short, simple reset each morning can create a ripple effect of calmness, productivity, and positivity. And just like older generations, you too can enjoy the satisfaction of stepping into a home that always feels ready to welcome you. Lesson 2. Tidy as you go. Have you ever wondered why some people's homes never seem to get messy, even though they don't spend hours cleaning every day? The secret is a habit called tidy as you go. It's one of the most powerful lessons older people live by, and it keeps their homes effortlessly spotless. Instead of letting things pile up, they take a few seconds to handle small tasks immediately. For example, after finishing a meal, they wash the dishes right away or place them neatly in the sink. When they finish reading the newspaper, they fold it and put it back instead of leaving it scattered on the table. These tiny actions may feel small, but together they create a big impact. Why is this habit so effective? Because clutter grows quickly when ignored. A cup left on the counter today becomes 3 tomorrow. Laundry left unfolded today turns into a mountain by the weekend. Older people know that if you give clutter a chance, it will take over your space and your peace of mind. By tackling it right away, they stop messes before they even begin. The beauty of tidy as you go is that it never feels like hard work. It's not about scrubbing floors or doing deep cleaning every day. It's simply about creating a rhythm where tidying becomes part of life. When you pick up as you move through your day, cleaning never feels overwhelming. This habit also creates a sense of calm in the home. Imagine walking into your kitchen and finding it fresh, with no dirty dishes waiting. Or stepping into your living room where everything is in its place. It instantly lifts your mood and makes the house feel welcoming. That's the real magic of tidying as you go. It brings peace not just to your home, but also to your mind. Older generations show us that a spotless home doesn't come from working harder, but from working smarter. And with this habit, you'll find that your house almost cleans itself. All it takes is a little consistency, and soon your home will feel lighter, fresher, and much easier to enjoy. Lesson 3. Stick to a simple routine. One of the most inspiring things about older people with spotless homes is how calm and steady their cleaning habits are. They don't run around the house trying to do everything at once, and they don't spend endless hours scrubbing. Instead, they follow something simple yet powerful: a routine. A routine is like a quiet rhythm that keeps the home in order without stress. For example, many older people choose one small task for each day. Mondays might be for doing laundry. Tuesdays could be for dusting shelves. Wednesdays might be for cleaning the bathroom. By spreading tasks throughout the week, no single day feels too heavy. This approach works because it breaks big chores into small, easy steps. Imagine trying to clean the entire house in one day. It feels exhausting just thinking about it. But if you only focus on laundry today, and maybe a little vacuuming tomorrow, it becomes manageable. The home still stays spotless, but without the pressure of a huge workload. Older people also know the value of consistency. They stick to their routines even when they don't feel like it, because they understand that small actions done regularly create big results. A 10-minute task today saves hours of work later. Over time, the routine becomes second nature, almost like brushing your teeth. You don't think about it, you just do it. The beauty of keeping a simple routine is that it gives both structure and freedom. You know exactly what needs to be done, so you don't waste time worrying or deciding. At the same time, because tasks are small, you still have plenty of space for relaxation, hobbies, or spending time with family. This lesson teaches us that a clean home doesn't require perfection, it requires rhythm. When you keep a steady pace, you avoid the stress of catching up later. And the best part is how rewarding it feels to live in a home that always looks fresh and cared for. By following a simple routine, older generations show us that keeping a spotless home isn't about working harder, it's about working smarter and living with balance. Lesson 4. Prioritize health movement. When we think about spotless homes, we usually imagine cleaning tools, routines, or decluttering habits. But older people know a deeper truth: a healthy body creates a healthy home. That's why many of them make daily movement and health a natural part of life. They understand that energy is the key. Without energy, even small tasks like folding clothes or wiping a table can feel heavy. But with regular movement, the body stays active, and chores feel lighter. For many older people, this doesn't mean intense workouts or going to the gym. Instead, it's gentle, steady activities like walking in the morning, stretching before bed, or gardening in the afternoon. These simple forms of movement keep their muscles strong, their joints flexible, and their spirits high. Walking outside not only strengthens the body but also clears the mind. Gardening, sweeping the yard, or even watering plants becomes both exercise and joy. By blending movement into daily life, they stay active without making it feel like work. Prioritizing health also includes mindful eating and proper rest. Older generations often choose fresh, simple meals and avoid too much processed food. They know that what you put into your body reflects in your energy levels and mood. With enough rest and good nutrition, they can approach daily tasks with positivity and calmness. The connection between health and a spotless home is simple but powerful. A strong, healthy body helps you stay consistent with routines. It allows you to move freely, tidy as you go, and maintain a space that feels fresh and peaceful. On the other hand, when health is neglected, even the smallest chores can become overwhelming. This lesson teaches us that taking care of ourselves is not separate from taking care of our homes, it's part of the same circle. A healthy body supports a clean home, and a clean home supports a peaceful mind. Older people remind us that movement doesn't need to be difficult or complicated. A short walk, a stretch, or a mindful breath can keep both body and home in harmony. By prioritizing health and gentle movement each day, they enjoy not only spotless homes but also brighter, happier lives. Lesson 5. Declutter regularly. If you've ever stepped into the home of an older person and felt a sense of calm, there's a good chance it's because their space isn't overflowing with stuff. One of their best-kept secrets is the habit of decluttering regularly. They know that the less you own, the easier it is to keep everything neat, clean, and welcoming. Older generations grew up in a time when people valued quality over quantity. Instead of filling their homes with endless objects, they kept only what was useful, meaningful, or beautiful. And over the years, they developed a habit of letting go of things they no longer needed. That's why their homes often feel light and organized. Not crowded or chaotic. Decluttering doesn't mean throwing everything away, it means choosing what truly matters. Many older people donate clothes they no longer wear, pass on kitchen items to family, or recycle papers that pile up. By doing this regularly, they prevent clutter from building up into an overwhelming mountain. There's also an emotional side to this habit. Holding on to too many things can make a home feel heavy and stressful. But when you let go of items that no longer serve you, the space opens up, and so does your mind. Older people often say, a cluttered home creates a cluttered mind. By clearing their surroundings, they invite peace, clarity, and positivity into daily life. The beauty of decluttering is that it doesn't have to be hard or time-consuming. It can be as simple as setting aside 10 minutes a week to clear out a drawer, a shelf, or a closet. Over time, these small efforts add up, and the home stays organized without ever feeling like a big project. This lesson shows us that a spotless home isn't just about cleaning, it's about creating space for what truly matters. By decluttering regularly, you make your home easier to care for, and you also create a more peaceful environment for yourself and your loved ones. Older generations remind us, less mess means less stress. And a home with fewer unnecessary things will always feel lighter, fresher, and more inviting. Lesson 6. End the day with calm. If the morning sets the tone for the day, then the evening sets the mood for tomorrow. Older people with spotless homes know this very well, and that's why they end each day with a gentle routine of calm and order. It's not about deep cleaning or long chores, it's about creating peace before going to bed. One of the first things they do is a quick evening tidy. This might mean folding blankets in the living room, washing the last few dishes, or wiping down the kitchen counters. These little actions take just a few minutes but prevent clutter from piling up overnight. Waking up to a clean space feels refreshing and gives the new day a positive start. Many older people also believe in closing the day with care. They put things back in their places, shoes by the door, books on the shelf, clothes folded neatly. By doing this, they avoid the stress of searching for things in the morning. It's a way of saying, tomorrow, I want to welcome you with ease, not chaos. There's also a mental benefit to ending the day calmly. A tidy space helps the mind relax. Imagine going to bed knowing that the kitchen is clean and the living room is in order. It feels like a weight has been lifted. Instead of carrying stress into sleep, you drift off peacefully. Older people often combine this habit with a moment of reflection or gratitude. After tidying up, they might enjoy a cup of tea, read a book, or sit quietly for a few minutes. This balance of physical order and inner calm makes their homes feel not just clean, but warm and comforting. The beauty of this lesson is its simplicity. You don't need to spend hours at night cleaning. Just 5 to 10 minutes of thoughtful tidying can change how you sleep and how you wake up. It's a small investment with a big reward, a spotless, welcoming home and a calmer mind. Ending the day with calm is more than a cleaning habit, it's an act of kindness to yourself. Older generations show us that when you care for your space cares for you. Conclusion. We've just explored 6 simple yet powerful habits that older people follow to keep their homes spotless, peaceful, and full of positive energy. These lessons aren't just about cleaning, they're about living smarter, lighter, and healthier every single day. If you benefited from this video even a little, I'd love to hear from you. Which of these habits do you already practice, and which one do you want to try first? Your feedback means a lot, and your comments may even inspire someone else to begin their journey toward a calmer, cleaner home. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more uplifting content designed to make your life simpler and happier.